Okay, so we have two broken bolts, one right here, one right here. I will drill it out, so I'm using a really small drill bit. And basically, you drill the center of it as close to the center as possible. And then afterwards, we're going to just keep increasing the size until we can get the screw out completely. I don't have an extractor that can rotate it, but what we have in here. Okay, so now we have to just find, it was the M6. And I know this size because I measured it up the bolt threads that we had. And then I used this attachment with this. And then what I did was you turn it a little bit, then you back it out. In deeper, back out. So you just keep doing that until it goes all the way through. And it cuts new threads. And then after we got it all the way through, I took it out and it ended up being a good size. So now, I haven't finished tapping it yet, but I found a tap and die set with the correct thread pitch, and I am just chasing the threads all the way through. So we're making, basically we are making new threads. Able to tap that. So I drilled it and then I re-tapped it. And now we can mount. So what I did was we used metric, so M6. Basically, now this thread's in. So we'll go ahead and mount our license plate. The rear license plate mount.